Welcome to HealthSense, a platform to assist researchers in conducting large-scale, longitudinal studies that can gather both behavioral and biological data for novel biobehavioral studies. This video is meant to provide you with all the steps necessary to start a study on HealthSense. Log into your account by clicking the Sign In button on the homepage. Enter your email and password to sign in. When you enter the portal, you will be prompted to create a study. Select Add Study to begin. Select an image, name, affiliation, and description. Your description will be displayed to participants when they start the study. Please put any additional instructions or necessary information in this field. Once you have created your first study, you will enter into the portal dashboard, which displays detailed information about your study. Here you can see and edit your image, name, affiliation, and description. You can also see useful statistics about your study. If you click on the Participants tab, you will see a list of your study's current participants. To add a participant, click the Add Participant button. All you need to add a participant is their name and email. After entering the name and email, you will see the participant appear in the Participants table. All the participant needs to log into their study is their email and entry code. When the study begins, an email is sent to each participant with their entry code and instructions for how to download the app. After the participant successfully logs onto the app, their mobile device platform will be visible on the participant table. If you wish to keep your participants anonymous, you can enter identification numbers instead of emails. In this case, the participant will not receive an email, and you will have to personally tell them their identification number and entry code. The Questions tab has a list of all the questions that your study could use. Adding questions here does not immediately add them to your study, but creates a bank of questions that you can then arrange into a schedule later. To create a question, click Add Question. You must first select a question type and then subsequently fill out the additional information for that question. After you've finished creating your question, click the Submit button. The Schedule tab allows you to arrange questions from your question bank into a schedule for your study. You have multiple options for schedule type. You can create a custom daily schedule, recurrent weekly schedule, or recurrent daily schedule. To create a daily schedule, click Add Day. This will prompt you to select which questions should be asked on that day. You can change this information later. The days are added in order, and to remove a day, just click the Remove Day button. When your study goes live, it will start at day 1 and move forward until it has finished. To create a recurrent weekly schedule, set the number of weeks you want your study to be active for, and then click Save. As you can see, you may now enter questions for each day of the week. To create a recurrent daily schedule, enter the number of days you want your study to be active for and click Save. Now you can enter the questions you want asked on every day. Clicking on the Notifications tab will lead you to a list of notifications that your user will receive. Clicking Add Notification will allow you to enter the time and message of your daily notification. Click the Submit button to add your notification. To start your study, navigate to the dashboard and select Go Live. You will have to select the time that you want your study to go live. To view information about the data you have collected, navigate to the Download Data tab. The participant table will show you what data you have collected so far in your study. You can download data associated with your study at any time, even if your study has not finished. You can download your data in either JSON or CSV format. To add multi-factor authentication to your account, click the Settings table and then enable multi-factor authentication. Follow the instructions on this page to secure your account. Please contact us using the information on our homepage if you have any questions.